So in this video we'll be calculating speed. Speed, if you've watched my previous videos, you must have seen the formula for speed. The formula for speed is our speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. So distance divided by time. So that's the formula for speed. So it's very easy to find, and that's just the formula. So, and do not forget that speed is measured in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So kilometer per hour or meter per second. So in this first example, let's look at it. A car covered a distance of 120 kilometers in 45 minutes. Calculate its average speed. So let me make it clear here that the concepts average speed and speed are the same. Average speed and speed are the same. So whenever you're told to find the speed, or you're told to calculate or find the average speed, the examiner actually referring to the same thing. So now how do we find the average speed? So do not forget our speed is equal to distance divided by time. So what is our distance here? Our distance is 120 kilometers and our time is 45 minutes. So you will see that this 45 minutes cannot be used like this. So we have to change it to hours by dividing it by 60. So let's change our time here. Let's change our time to hour. Our minutes, we are changing it to hour. So now by dividing it by what? 60. That's 45 divided by 60. So when you take it to the lowest term, that will give you 3/4, or we'll leave it like this since we are using it for our working. Okay, we will leave it like this since we are using it for our working. So now let's do the division. So meaning that our speed is now equal to 120 divided by 45 over 60. So this division may be written as this: 120 give you denominator of 1 divided by 45 over 60. So at this stage we reciprocate. So let's reciprocate and solve it by means of fraction. That becomes 120 over 1 times 60 over 45. 60 over 45. Do we reciprocate this to change it to times? So now let's do the math. Let's do the math. So at this stage we can divide by 3. Yes, or we divide by 15. 15 here over 3, and 15 here should be 15 there should be 8. Yes, 8. You can use any figure to divide, but just know that you satisfy your test and reduce one by one. So then this is 3 here is 1, 3 here is 20. 3 there is 20. So that means our speed will be equal to 8 times 20, which is equal to 160 kilometers per hour. So our final answer is 160 kilometers per hour. That means the driver was actually driving at 160 kilometers per hour in order to cover the distance of 120 kilometers in 45 minutes. So in this other example, let's look at this other example. So we said what is the speed if a cyclist, that's someone riding a bicycle, covered a distance of 40 kilometers in 2.5 hours. So we are looking for the speed. So let's find the speed. So do not forget that the speed is always distance divided by time. So the formula is distance divided by time. That's distance divided by time. That's our speed. Speed equals. So our distance here is 40 and our time is 2.5 hours. So in this case our time is in hour, not in minutes like we have in this first example. So we can actually write our answer as kilometer per hour here, and it's not that our speed is in meters, So if our speed were to be in meters, then we have to change this hour to second too. So those are some of the tricks that do happen in distance, speed and time, or when you're looking for speed or all this calculation. So at this stage now, we have it as this. What we have here is same thing as 40 over 1 divided by 2 number 1 over 2. So at this stage, we change this to improper fraction, and yes, let's change it to improper fraction. So that becomes 40 over 1 divided by 5 over 2. So 2 times 5 plus 1. Sorry, 2 times 2 plus 1. So that's what gives us the 5 over 2. Then at this stage, we reciprocate. So that becomes 40 over 1 times 2 over 5. So we reduce to the lowest term here. Now we'll simplify them. We divide them, 5 here 1, 5 here 8. So that means 8 times 2 is 16. That's 16 kilometer per hour. So the speed in which the cyclist is actually riding or cycling is 16 kilometer per hour. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do not forget to practice more questions, and we can comment in the comment section below. All comments are actually responded to, and thank you for watching. Thank you, I really appreciate.